In a peaceful little village, lived a young boy named Arun. Every morning, he woke up early with one dream, to spread happiness through the food he cooked. Arun ran a small food stall under a banyan tree. With simple ingredients and a big heart, he prepared meals filled with love for his villagers. One of his regular visitors was Meena, a cheerful schoolgirl who stopped by every day for breakfast before class. For her, Arun's food was more than a meal, it was a smile to start the day. But one morning, Arun noticed an old man watching from a distance, hungry, weak, and unable to afford even a small plate. Without a second thought, Arun called him over and served a hot meal, free of cost. The old man's eyes filled with tears, not just from hunger, but from kindness. Villagers who witnessed the moment shared the story. Soon, more people started visiting Arun's stall, not just for the taste, but for the goodness behind it. Day by day, Arun's little stall became a place where food was shared, laughter was free, and hearts were fed. And in the end, Arun learned a beautiful truth: kindness costs nothing, but its taste lasts forever.
If you want to create video like this, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create AI generated stunning AI videos completely for free without paying a single rupee. Then stay tuned. I will be using several powerful AI tools. To trust me, the last tool is most important one because it helps you combine everything: image, video and audio into single perfect final video. So don't skip any part, watch till the end. Hi everyone, welcome to Komarasamy.AITech channel. Without further delay, now we'll move on to steps. First, create a story and image prompt from ChatGPT. We can type the prompt like this to get the story from the ChatGPT. Then we can get the result like this. ChatGPT generate all the scenes. I asked 8 scenes. Now step 2, create image from Whisk AI tool. This is the tool we can use to create stunning images. This is a very important AI tool to create images with full of free subscription. No need to pay any amount. We can copy the prompt from ChatGPT scene 1 and paste it in with AI. We need to give the same prompt. Then click on enter. Within short span of time, generate a beautiful images like this. Then similarly, copy scene 2 and paste it here and generate the second images from this AI. So similarly, we can create all the scenes. We have created 8 scenes. All the 8 images we can generate it from this AI. Third important tool, create a video from image using Grok AI. Grok AI is another free tool. We can create a stunning videos. So we can copy the prompt and paste it here in Grok AI. This is also free subscription. Upload the images, first image with the same prompt, and within short span of time we can get the images as well as videos from Grok AI. Now step 4, create a final video using Canva. Canva is a pro version, so we can create a stunning video as we saw in the beginning. We can combine video, audio and images through Canva. We can upload all the videos one by one in order. Then we can create the video. Step 4, create a voice from the story using Google AI Studio. This is another free subscription to generate the AI audio. from Google AI Studio. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT for the story for all the scene and paste it in AI Studio. We can generate AI audio. It's very easy. Just copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then finally, we can have audio, video, image into Canva to generate the beautiful video. If you felt inspired by Arun's story, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tech video. Thanks for watching.